Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to create a bookmark folder in Chrome on your PC. If you've been struggling to organize your bookmarks and want to keep them neatly categorized, this tutorial is for you. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Start by opening the Chrome browser on your PC. You can do this by double-clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or by searching for Chrome in the Start menu. Step 2. Next to your profile picture, click on the side panel. Once you're in Chrome, look for your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open the side panel. Step 3. Click on New Folder. Within the side panel, locate the New Folder option. Click on it to create a new bookmark folder. Organizing your bookmarks is essential for easier access to your favorite websites and resources. With bookmark folders, you can keep everything neatly organized and easily find what you're looking for. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.